Guys, I'm giving this to you. Give me your username. This I will show you. Anyone wants that? Just subscribe, like, share, and comment. You will get it and give me your username. That's my last question. And bye. See you all in Roblox. Guys, what do you want there? Give me your username and I will give you that because I'm unfriending you on Roblox. Anyone want that? Give me your username and do all.